Hi guys, it's me, and I can't see myself because my iPod sucks that much. So if you guys know, the Rhode Island and Massachusetts and stuff like that had a huge blizzard yesterday, I believe, which was Friday. So I didn't have school yesterday, but we hit the blizzard and our electricity kept on going in and out. Like, our electricity kept on going off and then it kept going on and back and forth, like wild freaking craziness. But we got the blizzard, and I think there was about, I'm sorry, my voice, I'm sick right now. I believe there was about 2.5 to 3 feet of snow. So I kind of just wanted to go outside to show you. I'm not really wearing the most appropriate outfit to go outside in. So I'm pretty much just gonna walk on my deck or something and show you guys. So let's go. Sorry, my shoes that I had to shovel in today. I shoveled my Uggs, yeah, my old ones. Oh my god, it's so goddamn cold. So you can see I'm already getting blasted by snow, but it was this high, and you can't even I shoveled all this already. So if you guys can see it, it's like a winter wonderland out here. Yeah, you can't even see. That's how high it was, but imagine that on the ground. It's mad high. No, Ginger, back. Oh, Tiny. What the hell? So the snow was wicked high. I believe I lost power from 10:30 p.m. to about 8 o'clock this morning. So we had no electricity, no heat, nothing, and it was absolutely freezing out. If you want to see how high that we shoveled the driveway and stuff. Just so they could leave. My mom actually isn't here right now. At the moment, she's getting dinner. So it's just me and my cats. But it was a pretty bad snowstorm. So I believe my grandma doesn't have power still because I tried calling her, and of course it just goes to sorry, but the number you've called is not in service or something stupid like that. So yeah, I love my iCar, which you guys can't see. But so I'm gonna go now. So bye.